everyone, Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. I'm burning the midnight oil here, so I'm just going to do a walk around and a startup video for you on a 1979 Pontiac Trans Am. Now this car has a 400 Pontiac engine in it with an automatic transmission. Yeah, you'll know it's not the original engine in the car. It would have had a 403 in it from the factory, but they were smart and they upgraded this bad boy to a 400 Pontiac, because the only way you could get a 400 Pontiac engine in the 79 Trans Am was, as you Pontiac enthusiasts and Pontiac purists know, was to have a 4-speed manual transmission. So it has been upgraded, 400 engine, automatic, power steering, power brakes, disc brakes in the front, sitting on a set of snowflake wheels with Cooper Cobra Radial GT raised white letter tires. This is a very nice car. It's a driver quality car. Yes, it has a few flaws in it. Is it perfect? No. Is it solid? Yes. Very solid underneath the rear tail panel, underneath the rear bumper. It's not all rotted away like most of these cars are. The floor pans are solid. The front end is tight. The engine runs very well. A couple of the gauges are not working. The tack doesn't work on this car. We're selling this car just kind of, as is. $29,900 is the price on this car. I think that's a great price. Somebody's going to be able to take this car, drive it, enjoy it. Maybe if they want to fix a few things, they can fix a few things. But an awesome, awesome car. Very, very nice. Inside the trunk, it's all spackle painted in there. Looks great. You might see a little dust there. I had the car sitting outside for 4 or 5 hours this afternoon. And I'll pull that key out. There we go. Had it sitting outside for 4 or 5 hours this afternoon. The farmers are in the fields. The dust is flying, so I did dust it off. Drove it down the road before I drove it in here and blew the dust off it. But very nice black interior, bucket seats, factory console. The dash is nice. It's not all busted up, cracked up. Door jambs look good. It's got some speakers there in the door panels. Very solid. Check out that. Back seat, very, very nice as well. Headliner, sail panels, package tray. You got a couple 6x9s back there. You see the seat belts are all intact. Front and rear seat belts are in here. Like I say, it's dark outside now, so I'm not going to drive down the road in the dark with a video, so I'll open the hood here. Nice silver, gray, white, and red trimmed bird on the hood. 6.6 liter air cleaner. Has a Edelbrock intake with a Holley, looks like a 650 carburetor, electric choke. Got a set of headers on it. As I mentioned before, power steering and brakes. Looks like it's got a newer set of plug wires on it. The carburetor looks newer. This car came out of a collection of cars that we purchased several months back. I had 2 or 3 of these Trans Ams in this collection, and this one here kind of fell by the wayside a little bit. Looking for a few good mechanics here, Kinion Classics, if anybody's wanting a job. Oil pressure gauge, fuel gauge, voltage gauge all works. Radio works. Blower motor works. Wipers work. Horn works. Dash lights. Clock even works. I think the only gauge that don't work is the tack. So the turn signal indicators are not flashing on the dash. I know they're working outside, and the bright headlight indicator is not working on the dash. So see the tail lights, right turn signal, side marker lights, they all work. There we go. All 4 headlights work. I just replaced that headlight. That left outside headlight just yesterday, so right turn or left turn signal works, right turn signal works. Car sounds very, very well too. You can see a couple little imperfections in the paint. It's got a little chip here. Maybe a couple little, some of that's still just dirt, dust from being outside. Small little door ding here. Going around trying to show you. This piece down here obviously got a little, squirt that with a little paint. You can touch that up a little bit. If you look real close, you can see a little bubble here and a little bubble here. Not a rust bubble, just a little, maybe like a little solvent pop in the paint. You can't see it back like this. You get up real close, you can see a couple little spots right there. That's why you all love buying cars from Kinion Classics. We're honest with you, we're upfront with you, we tell you what you got going on. Great looking 79 Trans Am. Sounds good, runs good. Nice under the hood. New hood insulator on it. Metal block intake, like I said, chrome valve covers. Just a very good looking car. And $29,900. Where in the hell are you gonna go buy a car that looks like this for $29,900? I don't know. Right here, Kinion Classics. Super solid 79 Trans Am with a Pontiac engine in it. Give us a call, 563-452-2450. Look us up on our website, www.kinionauto.com. K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. Dome light works too. Thanks for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. Check out them body lines, them door gaps. Everything fits real nice on this car. KinionAuto.com, 563-452-2450. Give myself or Elvis a call. Be glad to take care of you on this 79 Trans Am. Thanks for watching. Have a great night, great weekend, everyone. And spend some time with your family and friends. And we'll be back with you on Monday. Thanks for watching.